Now go to USB bridge circuit. So this is our USB VCC. Just type the USB VCC. And connect this pin to USB VCC pin. Next is our D positive. Next is D negative. Now we have to swap the pins. This is D negative, but this is connected to the D positive. So select the component, right click, edit part. Now right click, close it, and you can click on update current or update all. Now this D negative is connected to the D negative. Now go to net alias. We will type the USB underscore D negative. Now we will also net alias this VCC and AVCC pin, but these names should be different than these. If you give the same name, then these all the pins are connected together. Now we will net alias these VCC and AVCC pins. So I will choose a 5 volt underscore VCC1. I will place it here. And 5 volt underscore AVCC2 or AVCC1 for this AVCC pin. Next we can also rename for this crystal pin. So I will choose as X1 underscore 1. Just place it here. And X1 underscore 2 here. Now in the same way, I will net alias these crystal pins. Next is our reset pin, so place a wire here. Similarly for these pins, first place a wire. Now zoom in, go to net alias. So the first pin is master in slave out 1. Next is master out slave in 1. Next is our serial clock. And last is our SS1. Now we will also give a name to these jumper header pins. Now place a wire here. Now the second pin is VCC. Just copy the VCC from here and paste it here. Next is a ground. Go to datasheet. The first pin is master in slave out, then SCK, then reset. Now make sure all the names should be same. You can also verify the connectivity. Select the line, right click and click on this select entire net, and you can see these pins are highlighted. So next fourth pin is our master out slave in, MOSI1. This is our ICSP1, so I'll change the name here, ICSP1. Next I will copy this and I will paste the same ICSP header for our main microcontroller here. Just paste it here. Now change the name for this. This is SCK. This is reset. This is Mozzie. And all the pins are changed. I also change the name of this ICSP header. This is ICSP. Now go to your digital pin 0 and digital pin 1. Now you can see this pin is also a receiver pin of UART. Just change the net alias D0/RX. This is our D1TX. Go to datasheet. This transmitter and receiver pin is connected to this USB bridge, so I will do the same. So D1 is transmitter pin. If I go here, so this is the transmitter pin, and this transmitter pin will be connected to the receiver pin of this main microcontroller, and the receiver pin of this USB bridge will be connected to the transmitter pin of this main microcontroller. Just go to the net alias. Just type the D1/TX. And this transmitter pin will be go to the receiver pin here. And type the D0/RX. And you can also verify this pin. Select the net, right click, go to select entire net. So this D0RX will be highlighted with D0RX of this microcontroller, and in the same way this D1TX pin will be highlighted in this USB bridge also. Now go to datasheet, and 13th pin of this USB bridge is connected to the reset pin via 100 nanofarad capacitor. This is 100 nanofarad. And this is 1 kilo ohm. Place a wire. And this pin is connected to the reset pin of our main microcontroller. So we will net alias this, reset. You can also see this reset pin is connected to the reset pin of our main microcontroller here.